Hello everyone, welcome to your first tutorial in C++ and this is RMF City, and I just wanted to show you guys just in this first tutorial the basics of C++. So I just wanted to show you how you start doing a basic C++ program, and I guess we should start right now. Okay, this is the first program that you'll ever see in any C++ as I call this in book. First we will type this iStream, then we type this using namespace std. Okay, first of all, by now I just want you to know that this, don't pay too much attention at first at the beginning. I know it sounds very confusing what these things look like, but just keep up with me with this, okay, because this is going to be the basic structure of any program that you will ever do in C++. So let's continue. You type int main, and then you open bracket, and then you close another bracket. You see these two brackets are kind of shiny right now, and here you go. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot one more thing. Return 0. Now here you go. This is the basic structure of a C++ program. Any C++ program that you will do from now to get even to a more advanced level will almost have the same type of structure. So if you want to really practice the first thing in C++, this is going to be the first type of instructions you would like to practice. I know it sounds really confusing right now, but it is pretty much like I just want to know if you really want to learn some part of programming. This is going to be the basic structure, and if you practice this, like try to type this, then I'll pretty assure you that you will be very good doing the next type of programs that we'll do, far from now, the next tutorials. So just pretty much keep up with me with this, okay? First of all, I just want you to know that writing some code in C++, as you have heard from the myths, it's not something that it's designed for people who are beyond normal or geniuses, if you like to call it. It's pretty much based for everyone. I just have to give it some time, just give it some love. That's the first thing you really need to do. And after that, it's just going to be a lot of practice, just practice, which is basically typing the same thing one over another. And once you understand the tools, you can start doing things like maybe doing some applications for your computer that will actually help you in other stuff. Maybe you want to do your taxes, and you can make a program for that can actually do that and keep track of all the things. So it's actually a very useful skill that you can learn, especially when everything is made by computers and run by computers and done by computers. So why not just learn the language and start doing new things with it? So, okay, this is the basic structure of C++. Now I'm gonna save this file. I'm gonna pretty much show you how to install the program so you can run this, but right now just focus on all the basic part. Let me save this file, save as, and let me choose my desktop, and let's save it as hello.c++. Now this extension is actually pretty important because it actually will tell the computer that this is actually a C++ file, and that's all you need to know right now. But just keep it in mind that when you're saving this file or whatever you're writing inside C++, that it has to end with C++, not .txt, which is just a text file, but you want to make a C++ file. Okay, so now we're gonna save it right here in my desktop, and oh, you can see this changed colors. And here's pretty much like how you say, like, it has, you may recognize now that it has different values, different meaning. Why this STD, and it's not a transmitted disease, but pretty much it stands for something. So just pretty much just wanted to show you guys that that's going to be, maybe some IDs will not show these pretty colors, but it's pretty much just gonna be like the basic structure. So now let's make this program do something so it can be interesting. So let's make it say hello world. Let's make the computer say hello world. I know it's pretty boring, it's pretty lame, but this is usually the standard part in which computers, start talking to people. So now let's type this right here, cout hello world and you know how Homer Simpson would say it. Actually, it's NL, but pretty much it's how you start making the program tell something to you. So what this line will only tell is will tell write this line into the computer, and the computer will tell you hello world. So let's try to write this thing. Don't worry about these buttons. I will explain this in the next tutorial. So let's run it, and you can see here it's hello world. Let's make the computer say something different, like I like tacos. I like tacos. So let's see. I like tacos. And that's pretty much the beauty of it. I don't really understand how this thing actually works, but I can make the computer say something. And that's the beauty of computer science. So I will tell you, that's pretty much wanted to show you guys a part of it. You know what, if you actually would like to practice, I suggest you can write this thing in the comments below, and just pretty much do it for fun. And you can say maybe try to say something funny. Maybe try to say make the computer say something funny. Put your just small program right there below in the comment section, and let's see who gets the more original one. Alright, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I'm sorry it was a little long. I didn't mean to make it that long. But just wanted to show you the gist of how this C++ programming will be. The next tutorial, I guess I'll start talking about the compilers and the programs, so you can run it and you can see all the wonderful stuff C++ can do. So don't forget to subscribe. This is RMF City, and thank you very much for watching.